Thank you for buying this kettle from Fixture Displays. This video shows you how to replace some of the key components. To start, you want to take off the 3 screws to remove the cover. Now you see the controller, the black piece. Now to further remove 3 nuts that's locked into the 3 screws. Now you can remove the screws for the controller. Make sure you keep the screws in a safe place so you can find them when you're done. Now this piece can then be unplugged and then plugged in again with a new part. So that should address most of the problem with the switch. In the event that your heating plate, which is the stainless steel part, needs to be replaced, you want to remove all the screws diagonally. Then that would let you to replace that part as well. It's rare that part get damaged. It is has a higher probability of damage is the controller piece. If you have any questions, email us at cs@fixturedisplays.com. Once again, thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.